Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really handy trick, how to increase or decrease line spacing for text in Google Sheets. If you've ever felt frustrated because the default spacing made your spreadsheet look messy or hard to read, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control text spacing in your sheets, making your data cleaner, easier to read, and more professional looking. So let's get right into it. If you've used Google Sheets before, you might have noticed there's no obvious setting for adjusting line spacing like there is in Docs or Slides. But don't worry, there's a clever way around this using the drawing tool. Here, what you need to do. First, let's head up to the Insert menu at the top of your Google Sheets window. You'll find this right next to Tools and Format. Click on Insert. Now from the dropdown, look for the option that says Drawing. It might seem unrelated at first, but this tool actually lets us add much more customizable text to our sheets. Once you click Drawing, a pop-up window will appear. At the top of this window, keep an eye out for the text box icon. This looks like a little box with a T in it. Click this icon, don't worry if nothing happens right away. After clicking, move your cursor down to the drawing canvas, the big blank area in the middle of the pop-up. Now click and drag your mouse across the drawing board to create your text box. You can make it as large or small as you want, depending on how much text you plan on adding. Think of it like laying down a canvas for your words, giving you more control than directly typing into a cell. Once the text box is ready, go ahead and type in your text. Maybe it's a note, a section heading, or anything that needs custom spacing, whatever you need. Now, before you adjust your line spacing, you'll want to highlight or select the text you just typed. This is important because the next steps only work if the text is actually selected. Look in the upper right corner of the toolbar inside the drawing pop-up. You'll see three little dots. This opens up even more formatting options. Go ahead and click on those three dots to expand the menu. Next, you'll want to select the line and paragraph spacing icon. This icon often looks like vertical arrows or little stacked lines. By clicking this, you open up a menu where you can choose what kind of spacing you want for your text. Maybe you want to increase the gap between lines to make it less crowded, or perhaps you want it a bit tighter. Just pick the spacing option that looks best for your needs. You can easily switch between increase or decrease, so as you're experimenting with the look, it's totally fine to try a couple of options. That's part of finding what works for you. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. Play around and see what feels right for your sheet. When you're happy with how your text looks, go down to the bottom of that drawing window and click Save and Close. Your customized text box will now appear in your spreadsheet with the exact line spacing you picked. And that's really all there is to it. Customizing your text spacing like this can make a huge difference in helping your spreadsheet stand out. If you found this tip useful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more Google Sheets tricks, drop a comment below. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.